Good morning, students. I am Sareer Fatma, your maths teacher of class 7A. I welcome you in maths class. Today we are going to start chapter 1. Student, we often speak some words in daily life which represent a collection of things like a team of players, a bunch of flowers, a group of friends. Words team, bunch, group show collection of things, but in mathematics we use a single word to show collection of things, and that is set. In our daily life we observe many examples of sets. In our classroom, set of books, set of boys of class 7A, etc. Student, you already learned about set in class 6. Now can you tell me what is a set? Set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. The objects of a set are called its member or elements. Student, here I use two terms, well-defined and distinct. What is the meaning of well-defined? Well-defined means we can tell definitely whether any object does or does not belong to a set. Example, set of players of cricket team. When I am talking about set of players of cricket team, you can easily understand I am talking about 11 players of cricket team. Similarly, set of provinces of Pakistan. You can easily understand it. Now, what is the meaning of distinct? Distinct means same element should not appear more than once. For example, the set of letter of the word small. Here letter L is written once. If any element is written twice, that is not a set. Now can you tell me following of collection, example of collections are well defined or not? The collection of good stories, the collection of favorite poems. Student, words good and favorite are not well defined because a story may be good in view of one person but may not be for other person. Similarly, one poem is favorite for one person but may not be for the other person. Set notations. Sets is usually represented by capital letters of English alphabets. Elements in a set represented by small letters A, B, C till Z. Elements of the set are written within brackets separated by commas. Example, set of pets. A equal to curly bracket, cow, horse, goat. Here A is the name of the set, cow, horse, goat are the elements of the set. Students, today's our main topic is now operation on set. When two or more sets combine together to form one set under the given condition, then operations on set are carried out. What are the basic operations on set? Basic operation on set are as follow: complement, union, product, intersection, difference. Today we discuss only two basic operations on set. One is union and other one is intersection. Union of two sets. A set containing all elements belonging to either set A or B or in both set A and B. In other words, if we list all the elements of set A and B together in a new set without repeating common element, then this new set is called union of a set. It is denoted by A union B. This U is the sign of union. Here some examples are given. Example number 1. Set A and B are given. Then find A union B. Student, first you have to write A union B. Then set A. Elements are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then sign of union. Then set B, elements 4, 5, 6. Here what will we do? We combine both sets together without repeating common elements. हम दोनों सेट्स को मिलाकर लिखेंगे और जो एलिमेंट्स दोनों सेट्स में मुश्तरक हैं, मौजूद हैं, उनको सिर्फ एक दफ़ा लिखा जाएगा, बार बार रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4 present in both sets, so we write once, then 5, then 6. Now example number 2. A equal to 11, 12, 13. B is an empty set. Then find A union B. First we will write A union B. Then set A, sign of union. Then set B. Set B is an empty set. So in the answer we will write only the elements of set A, that is 11, 12 and 13. Union of three sets. Set A, B and C are given. Then find A union B union C. Student, first we solve this small bracket A union B. Set A, sign of union, then set B. Now again combine both sets together without repeating common element. 1, 2, 3 present in both sets, so we write once, then 4, then 5. Now in next step you have to write full statement A union B union C. Instead of bracket you will write the answer of the bracket which I solved here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then sign of union, then set C. Again combine both sets together without repeating common elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope your concept about union is clear now. Intersection of two sets. Set containing common element of both set A and B, or if we list common element of set A and B, it is called the intersection of A and B. It is denoted by inverted U and we read as A intersection B. Example 1. set A and B is given, then find A intersection B. Student, first we have to write A intersection B. Set A, elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then sign of intersection. Now set B, elements 2, 4, 6 and 8. Here we combine both. In this we take common elements of both set. 2 is present in both set. 4 also common element and present in both set. So our answer is 2 and 4. Example number 2. If set S and T is given, then find S intersection T. S intersection T. Set S 2, 4 and 6. Sign of intersection. Then set T 1, 3, 5. We don't have a single element which is common in both sets. So our answer is empty set. This curly bracket without any element shows empty set. Intersection of three sets. If set A, B and C are given, then find A intersection B intersection C. First we solve the bracket. B intersection C. B elements 2 and 3. Sign of intersection. C 2, 3, 4. Now intersection, we have to write common elements of both sets. So 2 also present in set C, 3 also present in set C. So 2 and 3 are the common elements of both set. Now you have to write full statement. A intersection B intersection C. Set A 1, elements are 1 and 2. Then sign of intersection. Then instead of bracket, student, we write the answer of the bracket which I solved here, 2, 3 and common element is 2. I hope your concept of intersection is clear. Student, this is your home task. Exercise 1.2 from book, page number 9. Do exercise A and B, sum 1 till 6. After doing homework on Fullscape sheet, you have to submit in the school office every Monday between 9 to 11. Student, write your name and class on Fullscape sheet. In the end, student, you stay at home and take care of yourself. Thank you.